Welcome to the CryptoNest. So, Hot mining, honestly, nothing really changed, honestly, since yesterday. I'm doing a video because I know that maybe, yeah, people are, hey man, what's up with Hot mining? So we have a wave one, wave two, can count 5 wave for the third wave. Now, we did had, just the bare minimum for the fourth wave. So now, is this actually a fourth wave, or all this is a third wave that is just making an extension, right? Possible, also possible. um Honestly, I'm going to leave it out there, third wave, but maybe not finished. Maybe we're just making extension and we're really following Bitcoin, and the fourth wave, it's still to come, right? So this would be even more bullish. Now, how can we know? How can we be certain? Well, until we don't have a reaction on the price and start a nice, really clear pullback and reach some lower levels, then yeah, we cannot take for granted anything, right? We need to have facts. So the first facts that I need to have now is I want this trend to be broken. This is going to be my first signal that the trend is changing, the short one, and a correction is initiated. So I'm looking for that. And after that, depending of the depthness and the structure, then I will be able to estimate where would be the ideal end of that correction. For the moment, I'm taking this as, if this is a fifth wave, and once again it can go a little bit higher, we can go for the 3x, so $30.24. And if I just take the wave 1 and 3 and add it to the wave 4, the 1-to-1 ratio, it's 32.83. So we still have a little bit of right to do from the current price. So if I materialize it into percentage, we could do still allegedly 15%. Now, are we going to do it? Are we not going to do it? I don't know. Now, if the price really start to break, as you can see, I do have alarms here, and actually I should actually maybe put one here, so I'm going to put it later. This is really the one that is the most important one. This is my first real first important one that the trend is breaking. And after that, yeah, so I did up to now just to have an idea where would be the wave 2, because if this is a 5-way up, it complete a bigger wave 1, and it's the big wave 1 in yellow. So the bigger correction is going to be another A, B, C, ideally 0.618. Are we going there? Not sure. DMA 200 is here, so it's going to recover a little bit. So yeah, maybe it's going to join perfectly the 0.618. I'm also very happy if we just go to 1737. Why is that? This is a very long-term downtrend line, so you can use it as a support. And yeah, this is what I'm looking now. So possible, yeah, end of the fifth wave, or we need to also keep the option on maybe this is not a fourth wave, and this is still a 5 wave, because it's not super clear, right? I mean, this is how it's crazy, but I could also put the third wave here and say that this now is the fourth, and that now we're doing the fifth, right? And if I do that, it would follow more, it would make more sense now because of this correction here. And if I take the wave 1 and 3 and add it to the wave 4, actually I was expecting something more, but actually we don't. Yeah, even with that one we do reach 31.79. So you can see that how, no matter how I try to read this level, it doesn't really matter. We still get about to the same levels, right? So we have $30.24, 31.79, 32.83. Yeah, okay, we do have a couple of dollar difference, but you know, if you consider that we started from $10, it's pretty much good, right? All right, so I think this is pretty much all what I wanted to share with you guys. Yeah, honestly, I really prefer now this micro counting, and it does make more sense. But once again, the fifth wave, the only thing it has to do in life is make a higher high compared to the third wave. We reached that. We did already reach some levels, so you know, take profits or put some taking profits limit, like sell stop limit and stuff like that. Secure your profits. Don't give them back to the market. So analyze your own stuff, your entry point. Anyway, you should have already analyzed your exit point, right? You should have already wrote down, already take some profit maybe. I don't know. Not financial advice here. Okay, so this is pretty much all that I wanted to share with you guys. So be patient, do not FOMO, and technically, well, I mean, this is worst time ever to get in, all right? So for people that are late, just forget about it. Just go and enjoy summer. It's not time for autumn mine purchasing. Let's wait for the pullback, and then we're like, then after that we can talk more. For the moment, this is just abstract. This is like a projection. We don't even know if the price is going to stop to go higher. So, but this is the level I'm looking for, and you can see right away that buying something at almost like $28 when you can buy at 20, it doesn't make sense, right? We wanna buy discounts, all right? Okay, so this is pretty much all. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.